Everyone, so in this video we are going to solve Leetcode 606, which is a medium level question and it is related to binary trees. So the question is very long, but I am going to tell you briefly that what we have to do. We can understand that by just looking at the example given over here. So you can see that we are given a binary tree here and we have to return the outputs in bracket like this. So this is the parent node and this is the left child and this is the right child. So this is what we have to do. You can see that this is what we have been provided. So you can see that here it is also the same, but the difference is that we have to return the brackets, the values in brackets, and only if, let's say, the right side is null, then we don't have to return empty brackets. But if the left side is null, then we have to return empty brackets as placeholders for them, and we have to write the parent value and write the values from left and right side in braces. And then if we have another parent node, then we will wrap this whole side into brackets and return it. So you can simply see that it looks like that post order traversal is being used, which is a depth first search. So we will implement that only. So first we will take a check at the root node. If root is none, then we are going to return none, and we are going to make a call for the left and right sides. So what we can do here is that we will write self.tree to str, and we will pass root dot left here, and then for r, for self.tree to .str, we will pass root dot right here. So if L is none and R is none, this means that we have reached the leaf node. So in this case, what we have to do is just we have to return the stringed value. We will convert the value into string. We are using root here, so we will write root and return it. So it will return the value of 4 to the call 2 here. So next what we can do is we can make a condition if left is none. So in this case we know that we have to return parentheses like this. So this is what we have to return, but you can see that we cannot just simply return parentheses. We also have